Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Sending documents through Messenger is now simpler and more intuitive than ever before. With the 2025 update, Meta has streamlined the process significantly, integrating a dedicated document sharing tool right within your chat window. This means less fumbling around with external apps and more direct, secure file transfers. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently share any file type with ease. It's designed for maximum user convenience. Before opening Messenger, take a moment to prepare your document. Make sure it's in a widely compatible format such as a PDF for universal viewing or a docx if the recipient needs to edit it. A clear file name, like Project Proposal Q3 2025, helps immensely. Finally, confirm its location on your device, perhaps in your Documents folder or a familiar cloud service, ready for quick access. Now, launch your Messenger application and select the specific chat thread with the person or group you intend to send the document to. Instead of searching through the general attachment options, you will now see a distinct document icon, shaped like a paperclip, near the text input field. Tapping this new icon directly opens your device's File Explorer, allowing for much quicker and more focused document selection process. From the File Explorer, navigate to where your prepared document is saved and tap on it to select it. Messenger's 2025 update now generously allows file uploads up to 200 megabytes, accommodating larger presentations or detailed reports. Once selected, press the Attach button. You'll see the document's name and possibly a small icon appear in your chat's message input area, indicating it's ready to be sent. With your document attached, simply tap the familiar Send button. Messenger will then process and transmit your file, often with enhanced end-to-end encryption for 2025. You'll see a delivered status beneath the message, and later, seen once your contact views the file. The recipient can easily download it directly, and the new security features provide peace of mind that your sensitive information remains protected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.